This video will cover using the paint bucket command. Let's start by drawing a box. Next, let's click on the paint bucket command located here. And this brings up this materials window over here. And you can see you've got thumbnails here of various texture types you can select from. Besides wood, you have other options like brick, cladding. You have colors, so you could click on that. Click. Let's see, fencing. Click on that. Around. Let's just go through and look at some of these. Metal. Yeah, let's see. Stone. That looks pretty. Yeah. And wood. Okay, for wood, let's I'm going to select this one here, and we'll click in the box here where we want to apply it. And so that's how you use the paint bucket command to apply texture. Now let's say you want to rotate the lines shown here on the in the texture 90 degrees. In that case, you would right click on the box, go down to texture, click on position. Okay, you can see two colored pins here. There's actually four. Use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom out, and you'll see the other two, a red and a blue one. I like to take the red pin and move it down to the bottom left hand corner of the box or object. I'm going to be changing the orientation of the texture. Now to rotate the texture 90 degrees, I'll come over here to the green pen, and you can see it says drag pen to scale / rotate. Go there again. You can see rotate. Now click and drag in the direction you want to change the orientation, and you can see the texture is being rotated around the red pen. The red pen's the pivot point. So I'm going to get it there and say OK. So now you can see the texture has been rotated 90 degrees. If you hover over the red pen, you can see where it says drag pen to move texture. The blue pen, drag pen to scale. So if you move it up, you can see how it alters the texture. Or if you go towards the red pen, it makes texture scaling smaller. If you move away from the red pen, it makes the texture imaging there larger. If you go up to the yellow pen, hover on it, and you can see where it says it's used to distort texture. For example, you can see how it moves it, alters the texture. And that is how you alter the orientation of the texture. One last thing before closing. First, let's get out of this here. Click. Click on that and click out here. Let's say you want to delete the texture inside this box. Then go inside the box with your cursor, right click, and then click on erase. Now let's say you wanted to add another texture type, same texture type or another texture type to that box. I'm going to pick another one here. You can click on that, click here, but you notice nothing happens. The texture does not get applied. You also notice that the inside of the box is not shaded a different color from outside of the box. My friend Paul at work showed me how to get around this dilemma. What you do is you go over and you click on line and you just draw a partial line or a complete line on what making up that box. And now you can see how the color inside the box has changed. Now you can add texture to the box. So let's go back to that texture type I wanted to apply. Click on it, back over here, and boom. So as you can see, it works. And that's how you use the paint bucket command. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and take care.